Apple iPhone components will now be made in Andhra Pradesh. Electric SUVs built in Gujarat will be the first ever fleet to be exported globally. And a whole lot more is happening. So here are the big market moves you need to know today. Let's dive in. First up, Biocon just got a tentative USFDA nod for its diabetes drug Sitagliptin. For a company that's been building its global presence in chronic therapies, this is a solid step forward. Meanwhile, United Breweries is cracking open fresh capacity. It's spending rupees 90 crore to add a new canning line in Telangana because India's love for canned beer is only getting stronger. Energy is also in focus. Oil India and BPCL are joining hands to set up city gas distribution in Arunachal Pradesh. Think CNG for transport and PNG for homes. A big push to take clean energy deeper into the northeast. Green power is heating up too. Acme Solar has approved a rupees 3,000 crore fundraise to expand its renewable portfolio. On the financial front, SBI Card and Flipkart are now teaming up with a new co-branded credit card that offers cashback across Flipkart, Myntra, Shopsy and Cleartrip. And finally, back to autos. Suzuki is pledging a massive rupees 70,000 crore investment in India over the next 5 to 6 years. Maruti Suzuki's e-Vitara is not only set for Indian roads but also for exports, marking a serious vote of confidence in India's EV future. So that was your market brief for today, powered by Motilal Oswal. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned as we continue tracking the moves that are reshaping India's business landscape.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.